Hello class, and welcome to week 3. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of this week so you know what to expect both in and out of class. So for Monday, we're going to meet for class on Monday, and in our class activity we will be doing a peer review, a group workshop of your logo section. So you'll have printed copies of your logo section, you'll be in groups and giving feedback. After class is over, you're going to go back and look at the audience feedback you got from week 2 from Submit and Workshop Your Audience Paragraph. You'll revise your audience paragraph and you'll revise your logos paragraph based on your peer review feedback from class. Now if you don't make it to class Monday, you'll need to have somebody else look at your draft and give you some feedback so you can revise it. That could be a friend, a family member, a coworker, or a writing tutor. So they'll revise both of those paragraphs and submit your revisions. You can also look at this page, which gives you some information about some proofing tools that you have available to you. Then Tuesday night, you will have your ethos section. You'll finish, or you'll write that section and you'll submit it. And you're also going to print copies of it to bring to class for Wednesday. You'll also learn about sentence fragments and take the sentence fragments quiz. For class on Wednesday, we will workshop the ethos sections in class. For homework that night, you'll revise your ethos section and you will write and submit your pathos section for your analysis letter. And then for Thursday night, you're going to kind of put the other pieces together. So you'll write your works cited, you'll add your introduction and conclusion, you'll learn how to format your paper correctly, and then you're going to submit your full draft with all of your sections in it for a workshop, and that workshop will take place online. You'll also take the Comma Rules 1 quiz, and then for Saturday night you will respond to 2 of your peers' full drafts, so you'll go through and workshop those, and then you will take the Comma Rules 2 quiz, and that should be everything for this week. So I'll be available. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message or email me. So just let me know if there's anything you need, and let's have a great week.